In this episode of the GraterMan Skills Series, we'll cover washing your vegetables and fruits. I can't stress enough how important it is to make sure you thoroughly wash your vegetables and fruits before grating or eating them. It only takes a little extra time, so make sure you complete this step. Washing your vegetables and fruits accomplishes three important things. 1. It removes any dirt or debris that may be stuck to them or hiding out in any grooves or crevices. 2. It washes away any chemical residues they may have come in contact with either while being grown or shipped to your market. And 3. It allows you to physically inspect them for soft spots, bad spots, or anything unusual before eating. So let's get washing. First, make sure you have a clean space in your sink to wash your vegetables and fruits. A sink full of dirty dishes is not a clean space. It can harbor unwanted bacteria that you definitely don't want in your food. So don't mix and mingle cleaning vegetables with dirty dishes. Second, use a vegetable brush. They're inexpensive and do a fantastic job of removing dirt from grooves and crevices. You can also use a kitchen sponge or washcloth if you like. Just make sure it's only dedicated to washing vegetables and fruits. I actually keep both a small brush and a sponge on my sink. I find the sponge is great for washing fruit while I prefer the brush for root vegetables. So play around a bit and find out what works best for you. Now when it comes to washing vegetables and fruits, an extra 5 or 10 seconds under running water makes all the difference. This is not a wash. Yes, you got it wet, but I would hardly consider this washed, and you shouldn't either. You need to get in there and really give it some attention. This is a wash. This is a wash. And this is a wash. This is not a wash. I think the difference is pretty clear. I often get asked, do I need to use soap while washing vegetables and fruits? This is completely up to you. A little bit is harmless, so if it makes you feel more comfortable, then use it. But you certainly don't need this much. If you do decide to use some soap, just make sure you do an extra good job of getting it off. Soap leaves its own residue and doesn't taste good in food, so wash it off. There are also some commercial sprays available you can use to clean vegetables and fruits. I have not used any of these products as I feel water alone does the best job. But if using a cleaning spray gives you peace of mind, then by all means use it. And that also goes for DIY solutions of salt, vinegar, and baking soda. These solutions are harmless in the concentrations recommended, so again, use them if they give you peace of mind. But no matter how they get from your grocery store or your farmer's market into your GraterMan blend, just be sure to thoroughly wash all your vegetables and fruits with plenty of water before eating or grating, and you'll be in good shape. And remember to check out the notes section below for additional information, resources, and links that you may find helpful. And I'll see you next time on the GraterMan Superfood Series.